Exercise 25. At this point, the students have learnt about lists. So write a program that has a list of numbers, prints out the two largest numbers in the list, that is, and prints out the two smallest numbers in the list. Hint, use sort. And your code should work no matter how many numbers are in the list. My list equals 7, 4, 32, 98, 564, 1, 43. Any random numbers in random order. So print the two largest numbers and the two smallest numbers. Now, the hint told us we should use sort. Sort, of course, will arrange the list from the smallest to the largest, or vice versa if we choose. So my list.sort so after the list is sorted, the two largest numbers will be at the end of the list, of course. And to get the items at the end, we use -1 and -2. So that will give us the last item on the list, which will be the largest number, and the second last item on the list, which will be the second largest number. Similarly, the two smallest numbers are, of course, the first item and the second item. So that should do it. So if we run that, it tells us the two largest numbers are 564 and 98, and the two smallest are 1 and 4. Okay, thank you. See you in the next exercise.